We were talking about GeoServer and Spatial Data Explorer. I wanted to show you how you can kind of peek under the covers and learn a little bit about GeoServer and interact with the data that is served up through the OGC web services. So this is their interface here, and if we pull up one of these vector coverages like interstates, where did interstates go? No. Oh, here, ephemeral streams. Pull that up. Oh, forgot something. Let's look at the developer. Developer tools. Let's turn that one off. That sucks. It's a lot of data. Find interstates. It's not in alphabetical order, is it? Oh, here's interstates. There. Pull that up. Oh, here we go. I saw WMS call here. Pull up this and you see that it actually didn't come back. Copy link. See what that looks like. Looks like that. It's got a lot of gobbly goop on it. You can kind of strip it back to here and you can see it comes out to a WMS call. So kind of curiously, the URL that you need to access this stuff is this one, but you have to throw in this get capabilities thing. And so for WMS, this is version 1.3.0, and you can see. So the WMS is a web map service, so it's really providing images, or PNGs or something like that. So this is a URL we can access, and I'm going to go open up QGIS. You can download QGIS. It has installers for Windows, Mac, BSD, and a few others. It's pretty mature, surprisingly mature, and this is what it looks like. It's a lot like a lot of other desktop GIS. So this is how you add a layer here. So we basically are opening a blank project to start with. So these three are the OGC services. This is a WMS, and I told you what I do is put in that get capabilities call here, and we'll just call it Spatial Data Explorer WMS, and connect to it, and it shows all of these different layers that they have served up by WMS. And we don't have to go through their website, we can just sniff it, right? So that's the nice thing about web services, we just use it. So this is our WMS layer, and you can see this is California, Arizona, Texas, it looks like. I guess there's New Mexico in there. And now we can interact with it too. So let's zoom in. And yeah, it's the WMS, so we get these images back. We can also add WFSs if they have a WFS. Then do the same kind of thing. We just change these calls to WFS. And this should be 1.1.0. We'll call it SDEWFS. So this time, if we can get access to these things, these are actually feature layers. And so we're getting vectors sent across the network if we use one of these. So let's grab Arizona Rivers. Can't do that too many of those, can there? So it's loading GML, so Geographic Markup Language. So Arizona Rivers 1993. Pizza! That's my job today. Zoom to layer. And there's Arizona Rivers. So there you have it, WFS, WMS, very easy to work with within kind of an interoperable environment, and even it's very easy to work with from the standpoint of an API like WFS or WMS. So hopefully that is helpful. Oh, here, QGIS is, I'll just show you this. It's super easy to grab QGIS. You just do something like this, download QGIS, and installers are just super easy. So there you go.